Ever bought some RV gear that ended up in storage, thrown away in the basement of your RV, just because it wasn't of the quality or you really didn't need it? Today I'm sharing some RV gear that you will not regret buying, that will make your life more enjoyable, it will make it safer, and you'll have the confidence that you bought good quality gear that will make your camping experience much more enjoyable. By the way, I'm Chuck with Lake to Lake. Glad you could join. Let's get started. Here we go. First up, Rhino-Flex sewer hose. Now I know we don't like to talk about sewer hose, but you want to buy the best. And Rhino-Flex is the best in my opinion. It's the one I currently use. I'm not going to show it to you because I don't want to have to drag it out, and we all know what we use it for. I'll put a link of all the gear in the description. And another thing goes along with that, buy the clear angle hose for the Rhino hose. You'll understand once you start dumping your black tank why you want this. So anyway, good quality sewer hose, Rhino-Flex meets the bill. Linux leveling blocks. Here's a little package for them. This is what they look like. They're rock solid. They're lightweight. They don't crush. You can stack them to make them at different heights, and they just work. They work a lot better than wood planks that are wobbly and split and rot out. And they just work, and you will not regret buying them, and they will not end up in storage, and you won't end up replacing them. They might dirty out. No, they're pretty easy to clean. But anyway, good quality, good stuff. Drinking water hose and filter. Do not buy regular garden hose to supply your RV with water. It doesn't cut it. You need one that's approved for drinking water. In our case, we use a 0G, and we use a Camco filter, inline filter. They're good quality. They've lasted this. We're on our 4th year on them. No problems. They work. Surge protector EMS. We have one that's built into the into our coach. I'm not sure I'd recommend that, but you do need to buy a high quality surge protector or energy management system. It protects everything. It protects your microwave, your refrigerator, your air conditioner, your electronics overall. And you definitely want to have a good one. It's also one of those things you will regret not buying. Stabilizers. We use X-Chalk stabilizers. They're rock solid, they work. We've never had any problems with them. In fact, I did a whole video on them. And if you want to check that video out, it'll be down in the description. But anyway, X-Chalks make a huge difference. Keeps your coach rock solid, keeps it from moving. And that's what you want for a nice, peaceful camping experience. You want an outdoor RV mat. You know, you put out that RV mat, it makes it a little bit more like home. It makes you think it sets your style. People come by, they see your mat. They know you have it. In our case, one we have is lighted. At night we plug it in and it lights the outside perimeter. It helps a little bit. You know, we're getting a little older. I'm retired. My wife retires in a week. And it makes a difference. Plus, it gives that homey feel, and that's what you want when you're camping. The other thing I'm going to talk about, I think you're going to want to get an ice maker. In our case, that ice maker, everything in my coach evolves around that ice maker. That's the first thing my wife hooks up when we get into camp, and that's the last thing she takes down when we leave. She likes to have clean, fresh ice, and she doesn't want to worry about it. It makes ice so quickly that we never run out. And you want to get a quality one. Yes, you can make ice cubes in your freezer of your refrigerator freezer, but you know what? When you got an ice maker and it's making it all the time and circulating the water, that's the way to go. I'll put the links to the one we have down below. All of these items, I can confidently say you will not regret buying. They solve some real life RV problems and make life a little bit smoother, a little bit more enjoyable, and makes it feel a little bit more like home. And that's your home. Which of these do you already have? Do you have some other RV gear that are must-haves that you would never ever regret buying? If you do, put them down in the comments. Let me read about them, and we can discuss them. I'll put the links down below. I don't have an Amazon store, but I'll put links down below of the items I talked about. And if you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up. And I would appreciate it if you'd subscribe. It sure would help me out. And if you want to know when these videos come out, ring that bell so you can get notified. Well, until we meet around the campfire, y'all take care now. Bye-bye.